Hello everyone. If you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows, your device is missing important security and quality fixes, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your Windows. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Windows 10 Update Assistant. Click onto this first link from Microsoft.com and then click download the update assistant here. Click update now on here and then just download this program up. And once you're done downloading it, open it up, click yes on here, and then follow the on-screen instructions to update your Windows. So I already have my Windows on Windows 11 and I'm updated to the latest version, so I can't use this program, but you're going to follow the on-screen instructions to update your Windows 10. And once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you update your Windows, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore and your Windows will be up to date. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.